So I believe the last thing we were doing was the Junebug job. Euthanization job, yeah. And I remember I was kind of stuck on it. Universal Medical. It's over there. And then we found... Right, we found Elliot's file. And then this is the heart monitor thing, and we don't have access to it yet. Medical services port. Require admin access. But I believe that email password is for something else, yeah. Okay, let's start in the beginning. Whenever I see the name Elliot now, I think of Mr. Robot. It's become synonymous with that show to me. Okay, pacemaker connection ID. 2.6. 2. Okay, that's that one. And then we had documentation and notes. Oh, sweet. Okay. Here we go. Production asset server. There we go. That makes sense. There's got to be some asset access if we're gonna influence the device or firmware. Or use a firmware approach. Is that the thingy I have? The admin. Nope. Okay, let's probe this motherfucker. 4. And there's a trace, okay. I wonder if it's gonna be Medicaid like before. No. Or Biogel? Oh, I think Biogel. Yeah, okay, Biogel it is. TP. Dum 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 dum. Dum dum. Yeah, space, yeah. Plenty of time. Sweet. Scan the network. Same one. IRC logs. IRC logs production. What is that? That's a program. Output. KBT port tests. Is a utility made for testing and stressing the Kellis Medical Standard Port tool. Ah, sweet. This tool can be deployed with a hardware package on request to test the device under scrutiny. You know what? I will read this in leisure because I don't like doing that with a timer on. For tests, we will take that. We'll also take the readme. And we will also take the cool. Nothing in bin. Oh, should have my stream manager on my phone. 1 second, everyone. God, I love the soundtrack. Okay. Readme. pt.2 is a utility made for testing and stressing the Kelis Medical Standard Port 104. This tool can be deployed with a hardware package on request to test the device under scrutiny. It's designed to flood the port with traffic, including that of outside sources, some of which the program pulls in itself. So obviously this should not be used on live devices, as though they are tested by Kelis locally, applying unnecessary stress on components and code, which this program is deliberately designed to do. It is not responsible behavior. Take care in the distribution of this program. Local copies sent out are versioned and tracked on deployment along with this document. Okay. KBB port test. No port. Oh. We're in. Where's admin access? Don't I have admin access? There's more to it then. I know why I keep trying that. Okay, so open port cracked. Now what do we do? Okay, notes and documentation. That's where we want to go, actually. Only allows pacemaker behavior changes to be made via firmware patch, which can be done wirelessly to remove the need for surgery. Okay, so we need to do a firmware patch. If your case requires such an update, contact your assigned representative. Clearing security from a firmware update once a signed binary has been retrieved from this. And we need a signed binary. Okay, for clearance. First, connect to the pacemaker chip using the patient's reference IP address. Log in as an administrator using details that will have been assigned on a per case basis by the client. This step is protected using Kelsey's proprietary microport protection system. At this stage, remote monitoring will be enabled, allowing the user to view live ECG. We've done that, haven't we? We can view the ECG data. Or maybe I'm mistaking that. Confusing it with something. To perform the firmware update, a secondary software login must be performed using an authorized software manufacturer authentication code, with both details confirmed and okay. The firmware for the chip is running version control queries. No truth. Version control queries and updates are handled through central server located at as only bills signed by the internal services using our key will run on the chips. No other company can producing working code for the chips without having them compile it. Issues with the remote should be directed by them. Idle on soft production. Nothing found. Careless driver configuration. Part of our test cycle, before running the unit test suite on a chip, a cycle check needs to be performed. Hook it up to the test station and run the cycler as its firmware first. This just cycles through all the valid outputs and times itself to check that it's hitting timings correctly. More of a hardware test than anything on our end, but it's helpful to pick up subtle errors too. After it's run, it'll dump its data into the station, and you can go ahead and flash it and patch it to your new test version. I don't know what any of that means. Current signed testing firmware named pacemaker firmware cycle test.dll. Do not upload it to any deploy ready. Okay, so if I upload this to the current device, obviously the test cycle firmware is signed and encoded, so it'll actually run on the chips, which means be careful distributing bills. So you don't include it in one of your output folders. Pacemaker firmware SDLL. Having trouble following the process. Do not upload it to any deploy-ready devices. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to upload it to. Need permissions. Anyone got any ideas? Wouldn't mind a hint. Queries and updates are handled there. So I can only update the patch the firmware from there, right? How do I? This is the secondary login. I guess. No. You receive a code, authentication, unique code from it. Ooh. The unit test suite. So that one. Wonder if I can just run it. Oh wait, it's not cracked? It says I'm the administrator of this system. Okay, so I don't need to crack it. How did I gain administrative access without... It's kind of weird, huh? The address you use to access this server is important. Uniquely reflects your account details on our system. Oh. Where I access this from is going to matter. This probably doesn't matter. I want to be sure. Where do I... Oh, hang on. Scan the network. It uniquely reflects your account details on our system. I don't get it. I'm totally lost. Totally lost. Maybe. Just maybe. Tempted to check out a walkthrough. Oh, maybe now I can scan it? Because, wait. Oh. But that doesn't give me admin access, huh? How do I test this suite? I don't know. Okay, so we've connected to this and we've hacked it. So then it says go to /kbt pacemaker, but I can't access the file system though. Yeah. So it doesn't make sense how I would do that. Doing well, didn't get much work done today, but I'm doing well otherwise. So that's good to hear. It's good to hear. Can I try to upload it from just here? /pacemaker. Insufficient user permission. So yeah, I don't know what it's talking about. Connect to that and hack it. It just says hack it. How? Like I thought I have. Right? Isn't... Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god. This is like the dumbest thing I've done. I've cracked the ports, but I didn't hack it, and I'm sitting around going, why isn't... Okay. Sweet. Done. Okay. Oh my god, here I was being like, oh, it's... got stumped by nothing. Okay, that doesn't count. I don't know how many of you saw that, but that doesn't count. What do you do for work, Tuffman? Nothing there, it can be pacemaker. Active, yeah. If you but to remotely pass upload file to this folder using upload. Yeah. Okay. Home. Paste. There we go. Done. What is it? 1086. Oh, you meant schoolwork? Currently a cook at a local restaurant, but I haven't got many shifts recently. Okay. Administrate firmware. This one, right? What kind of restaurant? As in what kind of stuff you gotta cook on the menu? And what are you taking in school? Okay, it's giving him some arrhythmia. Come on. Alright. May you rest in peace, Sir Elliot. I think that did it, right? Ooh. Getting a degree in applied mathematics with a minor in computer science. Damn, you smart. Can you tell me what applied mathematics means? I just realized that I've never asked this or tried to find out. What does it mean when it says applied mathematics? Should be it, huh? Hey, so this is a bit unorthodox, but I pulled some strings. You'll be the one that did the bit contract before, looking for what happened there. I'm after some information. I wanted the same person on it. If you're getting this, it means you've just finished your assigned contract, so we're good to go. To be frank, the term pulling strings with CSEC isn't something you really use lightly. And in this case, it's even more so. You got results fast, and I want you on this case too. More collaboratively this time. If you sound confident, you'll want to join in here. I have good reason for it. There's a very substantial incentive waiting for you on the CSEC asset server. Look for bin TK trace kill. Ooh, decrypted with password. Decrypted with password DX122 DX. I think it's meant to mean like not pure mathematics that doesn't have any applications. Okay, that's simple enough for me to understand. Although I'm also interested in pure mathematics, just not as many jobs. Yeah, of course. I remember I definitely felt attracted to pure mathematics, but way back in high school. I didn't end up pursuing it any further. Not that I guess all mathematics back then was loosely applied mathematics, except specifically pure mathematics. Get a copy and reply me back. As always, the admins are paranoid about their security, so it'll be anonymous routed back through their system to me. Anonymously routed back through their system to me, whatever. Just reply here when you're ready, I'll let you know what's next. What was a trace kill deck? Okay, good. Let me guess, I can't take on other contracts at the moment. Nope, they've all opened up. Abort current mission to accept new ones. God dang it. Trace kill, as the name suggests, diverts active traces against you while it's running. It should make your work much easier. Let's begin. I've done some digging after the last set. You saw the message too. He knew what was going on. Anyway, just the idea that whatever happened was linked to his work was enough to start with. Did some tracking and ended up with a bit of a list of his servers or relays. Can't know many of them are just virtual boxes running off the same machine, but it's a good start. The most promising one is linked at the end of this. It's a personal work server, something he was using to privately host copies of the version control repositories he was working on apparently. This itself might be a clue. Who keeps the backups of a corporation VC solution? Only 3 cases I can think of. Either you're responsible if they fuck it up, or you're surrounded by incompetence and you want to be sure. You need your backups and logs for legal reasons, or you're worried about something and want records in case something goes down. Whatever is the case, this seems like the place to start digging. Want to take a look? I've had a poke around but didn't turn up anything substantial. Can't decrypt the repo dumps. Let me know if you can find anything. Send over the IP address of anything strange if you dig up a link. Let's have a look at the trace kill deck. Decipher. All right, password. Vapor trick and core source IP. Vapor trick. Source IP is null. Cool. I have to move it to bin now, don't I? How do you do that again? Move file and destination. I.e. move hi.text to /bin /hi. Oh, okay, so you gotta rename the file in the destination as well. So we do move tracekill.exe to destination, which is /bin invalid path. Does it need the dot? Did that work? Yeah, it worked. Got trace kill in here, great. There are no traces on, so that's why it gives you the option to exit it as well. Great. Okay. What do you want after that? All right. Start digging. Bitwise repo base. Proxy detected. Great. Where the personal? Okay. Yeah, I think a lot of pure mats is super cool. Insufficient memory. Close. Suppression active. Oh. But it takes up a lot of memory though. cracked 4 of them. Oh, we're good. No more networks on here. I mean, no more devices. Yeah, I thought it was cool too. Pure maths. Just felt like I was learning. I was purely trying to learn a language. You know, math is simply a language, as opposed to just a tool. Like language is tool as well, but like I'm not explaining. Maybe I'm not explaining this well. Applied math feels like tools, right? Which there's nothing wrong with, but pure math felt like just language. I guess I just repeated myself. Don't know how to explain it, but maybe you get it. IRC logs, irrelevant usually. Repo archive. Nothing in the bin. Okay. To start. Cipher HN. Requires a password. Let's do deckhead. Yeah, it's sort of like art where its use is in entertainment, but also yeah. There you go, that's another way to put it. Give me an IP. Awesome. NTech repository backup. 56.35. That's over here. Okay. Also take this with us, just in case we want to look at it later. Or I guess we could just do it here. No, let's collect it. And what did V want? V wanted, oh, V's Viper, right. Send over the IP address of anything strange if you dig up a link. Well, let me have a look here. Inviolability detected. I don't know what that means. Open ports required for crack. Ooh. Okay, so I guess I'm sending the IP to V. Six to 1.5. It's so cool. Been around a while, but I've never seen anything like this. It's a bit early to call it unbreakable, but this is new, different. NTech, huh? They make what, a pretty mediocre antivirus? If they were selling whatever this is, they'd be making a fortune. Hey look, their front-end stuff doesn't have anything this fancy. I'm going to get digging from the web server and see at what point this new stuff starts. It looks like it's deep enough in that they're trying to hide it for some reason. Exactly what I think. No idea why. It looks like it'll be a huge hassle to get past. Companies love that stuff. This is new and flashy too. This is suspicious as hell. Take a look at your end and see how far you can get in there. I don't know if it's just me, but this feels like a way better lead than I was even hoping for. Ping me when you think you've seen as much as you can. Be thorough. Alright, let's do it. N-Tech. Even the logo is it's kind of strange. We need 4 open ports. FTP bounce to 1. Web SMT 28. Come on. There we go. Use source. Purchase Grocery Simulator 2011. Players assume the role of hero from one of the 5 different games. He said be thorough. You must take control of the player that assumes the role of a hero from one of the 5 different character classes. Players fight monsters through wilderness areas and dungeons in order to level up their character and gain better items. Combat is in real time and shown from an isometric viewpoint. Players also have the option of hiring one of several computer controls. By Diablo 2. Not seeing much here. Dan. Whoa. Found 3 other ones. Okay. N-Tech Zeus, N-Tech Mail Server, and N-Tech Workstation Core. Let's check out Zeus. Also has an inviolability error. But N-Tech Mail Server. Back. Probe this. Also got an inviolability error. Ooh, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Shut down, process, shut down. Like now, please. Fuck. Everybody try pressing the caps. Oh, thanks. It's so much easier to write now. Nothing here. Scan further. Ooh, found 4 more. Tech Workstation 3. Tech Workstation 12. Tech Workstation 8. Another error here. Another error here. Yo, I had admin access, didn't I? Okay, anyway. I'm pretty sure I saw 4 pop up. Where's the other one? Four, 7 P H J F. Cool. I need those shells first. God damn it. The gauntlet machines? Nope. Good old Anderson. Probably not. All the personal computers. Solve. What was it? Damn it. It was 47 EHJF. Yeah. Need to crack all 3. And we also need, what was it? Oh, yeah, that's it. ABT 104. Tough man, if you're still around, can I ask you if the game volume is in balance with my voice. Like you can hear everything. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. Okay, sweet. Bin, system, workstation, store, comp bin, midstream ref, store server, IPs. Okay, sweet. Asset packs. Hacknet, Netcore, DLL. Okay, curious. As per our talk, here's my written permission to keep the stream on your desktop then. As we discussed, save a copy of this locally to show to anyone that questions you on it. If they don't believe you, send them to me. To others reading it, the operator of the workstation 008, this one, a Mr. Giorioni, has a serious heart condition. Software to help him monitor. It streams data to his workstation, which we've assisted him to set up so he can keep track of his condition in case of emergency. We've gone to exceptional efforts to help Mr. Giorioni find a place here as part of our new workplace diversity plan. Further issues with the setup can be directed to me personally. Okay. Okay. Store server IPs, Prometheus, in progress, development, project storage. Huh? Oh, my bad. This get string. Romulus deployment, compile server, also deployment build upload. Right. Okay, cool. Asset packs. Prometheus. Maybe that's the password for it. D88. Wonder if I'll be able to get more memory later. Hacknet Netcore. Hacknet operating system. Oh no. We need to. What am I doing? We didn't delete the logs. Shit, that was dumb. We need to do those shells again. God damn it. Test PC, this should know. Cool. Okay, let's do this again. Let's solve. Where's it? EHJH. Excellent. Clear, please. Also inviolability. Same. Cannot scan, obviously. Oh, maybe the password. But I wouldn't know the username. Maybe it's admin. B88 BA. No. Wait, I'm in Romulus. Why am I in Romulus? Oh, wait. Right. No, wait, that doesn't make sense. Oh, hang on, it does. It does. Because I connected it via IP, not by scanning the brick and following the line. That's... Oh, yeah. Fuck yes. Check that out. Mail server, we already knew that. Got some mail, huh? Hacknet project. Hacknet project. Intech confidential. Command connect. For use as a wrapper over remote connection channels, usually security shell, to combine connection methods to external services. The command should scan available ports and supported services to find a valid connection method, then use it, wrapping output, to emulate a standardized connection. In effect, Hacknet's connection method should appear to be universal and standardized when beneath it is capable of using all common and some uncommon connection methods to user services on almost anything. Command connect test guide. Aside from connecting between workstations and the company host servers, we also need to support connecting wireless and restricted OS devices. Our test plan includes connection services to several mobile devices, some cracked, others factory default. These devices are synced to the Prometheus server by support staff, and if you need one for testing, reviewing physical output, you should be able to connect from anywhere. Contact server team. Sync devices. The mobile and wireless devices used in testing Hacknet's connection module are to be synced to this server, including all EOS devices. We occasionally wipe them all just in case, and it's best to do it right from here. Do not pair them with other machines. That's one possible exploit. The devices scatter around us a lot as people work with them, but if they run out of power, need a wipe or a sync again, always do it to Prometheus. Given the sensitive nature of the Hacknet project, the strictness of the NDA everyone involved is under requires inquiries, feature change requests, and other management discussions should go through the Hacknet management mail relay. HN manager at ntech.com. This will send out to all valid personnel, some of who you can contact personally back if it's relevant to their fields. Okay. NSEC project. The NSEC Inviolability project is an OS-level security layer through which all authentication attempts and admin commands pass, that provides a uniquely protective level of security for systems against all conventional and many unconventional penetration and security breaching methods. It aims to be completely transparent to end users, except in the case of emergency updates, which are maintained by NTech on a subscription basis, and provide absolute security to sensitive and confidential systems. Paired with the Hacknet project, which seeks to demonstrate the flaws in current security systems, NSEC shows clearly why it should and will be the new accepted minimum standard for true digital security and confidence. NSEC, the freedom you want, the security you deserve. Oh boy, this is big. Are you seeing this network? There's that new security